Welcome to the part 2 of website design and development using WordPress. So in our part 1, the first class, we learned how to get a domain name and a hosting account. I believe by now you know what a domain is and what a hosting account is. So now this is the dashboard of the WordPress. This is where you do your development. So first thing first is you have to learn how to look at, this is the back end, all right, where you do your design. So first thing first, you need to learn how to open your front end. Front end is where visitors will going to see your website. All right, visitors are going to see what your website looks like. So when you're at the back end, you have to learn how to check your front end. So to do that, all you need to do is to click here, this icon that looks like a house. So when you click there, you're going to see that option that says visit site. All right, so when you click that place, now if you click, it's going to override this particular tag that you are. So you want to open it in another tab, so that you can be able to switch between the back end and the front end to see what your front end looks like when you have done your development. So you're going to click and hold. All right, it will give you this pop-up window that says open tab in new group, open in new tab. So you're going to click the option that says, going to click this option, okay, that says open in new tab. So you click on it. So it has opened. So I'm going to tap here and view the site. This is the site. This is the front end of the site. All right, I believe you remember this front end. Okay, so if you want to go back, you click on this, your various tabs. Here I have about 10 tabs open. So you click there. If I click there now, to give me my various tabs are open. So I'll go click on this, my dashboard tab. Has brought me back to my back end where I'll continue my development. All right, so the first thing first you want to do is to install a theme. You want to install a theme. What is a theme? A theme is a template that helps you. It's already designed template you just install on your site. So what you just need to do is to edit the theme. All right, edit it and change all the content there to your own, personalize it. All right, as simple as that. That's one of the interesting thing about WordPress. It's very easy. You don't need to start building your site from scratch. All right, you just install a theme, and then from the theme you can start manipulating the website to personalize it and customize it however you want. So what we want to do is to click on this 3 dash here. All right, so if you click there, it will give you this drop down. So here now, the first thing we want to install a theme. So to get the theme, your theme is under this appearance. Okay, so you click the word appearance. Then you have that drop down there. You see the option there, themes. All right, so we're going to click on that option, themes, and wait for it to load. Now it's important for you to know that now if you see, this is the current theme that we're using. This is the current theme. If you check on the front end, this is the current theme that is installed. All right, if you install your WordPress first, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see that theme there. Okay, so now we want to now install another theme. Now there are various themes. If you scroll, you have okay, there are not much themes here. So what you want to do is, let me go back. So what you want to do, if you scroll, you see many other themes, and you see the option that says, you see this option that says add new theme. Add new theme. Here is it here. Add new theme. Okay, so that's what we want to click. So you click there, add new theme. You wait for it to load. Then it's going to bring you to where you have themes available. So you choose the theme you want. So remember, this is the current theme we have right now. So you scroll, we have various other themes. One of my favorite theme is this theme called Astra. All right, so that is the theme I want to use. You can use any theme you like. So all you need to do is just to click on that Astra. Then you see this option that says install. You see, it's very simple, right? So I'm going to click on that option that says install. As you can see, it is installing. So you wait for it to install. Very simple, easy peasy. All right, so the essence of this theme, like I said earlier, is to make your site easy, so you don't have to build your site from scratch. So it has been installed. The next option there says activate. So you click on activate. Click on activate, wait for it to be activated. So the theme is now activated. You can see we have the theme now activated. You see here now, see the theme now is activated. You see this option that says, let me show you. See this option that says, this option that says new theme activate. So your theme now is not activated, and it says visit site. So instead of clicking on that visit site to get it to override this particular page, we opened the front end in another tab. So you come here and click this tab here. All right, you click there to give you the option of all the tabs you have opened. Your O might not be up to 10. Your O may just be 2. It may just be 2 because I've opened many other tabs here. So I'm going to click on this particular tab, which is the tab I opened from the front end. Then it's going to refresh. If it refresh, you will see now that the site has changed a little. You see that the structure has changed, right? So we have few other things to do to get our site beautiful. All right, so I can choose to install another theme. So what I will do now, I will go back and all right, so I can choose to install another theme, but I want to use this particular theme. Now every theme comes with its setting. Every theme comes with its setting. Okay, so this particular Astra, this is how it operates. If you install another theme, the operational system will differ or might differ. All right, so the next thing I want to do, I want to click on this option that says let's get started with starter templates. So we'll click on it and you see that it's activating. You just wait for it to be activated. Now the duration it takes depending on the speed of your internet. If your internet is slow, it may take longer to be activated. So we're going to just wait for it to get activated, right? All right, now it has been installed. Now you see that the first thing is asking us is whether you want to AI website builder. Do you want AI to build your website for you? Okay, we have two options. The first option talks about building the site with AI, while the second option says classic starter template. So depending on the one you want, for the sake of this class, I'm going to be using classic starter template. So I'm just going to click on build with template. Build with template. So I'll just simply click on it. Okay, and then it's going to pop up to bring us here. Now you can see that we have various templates here. Okay, so I'm going to you just pick any template of your choice. Let's just say I like this particular template called dental clinic. All right, you can pick anyone anyone you wish. All right, so I just want to pick that one. So all I need to do is just to click on it and wait for it to load. Now this I'm sure you're aware that I'm doing this with my mobile phone. That is to show you that you can actually develop your website using your mobile phone. You don't necessarily need to have a system, though having a system, a laptop, doing it with your laptop gives you an edge. All right. Okay, so what I just need to do now, I'll just come here and click this place that says continue. I'll click the place that says continue. Then I will just scroll and click continue again. I'll click continue. All right. Now this place now is asking you to fill a little form. You just click, put your name. I just call it TikTok. Another option, your work. Let me see. So just type your work experience. I will just put anything for now. Then the other option you pick is, are you a beginner? Let me just say yes, I'm a beginner. Then you pick this option. You're bidding for yourself or for a client. Let me just say for a client. And then you click this option that says submit and build my website. So I just want to make this class. Okay, fine. This place is email address. So I'm just going to put my email address there. Then I'll now click submit and build my site. Now you're going to wait for it as it's processing. It's loading. You just wait for it. See that it's loading, so you wait for it depending on how fast your internet is. All right. So now the next thing, it said something went wrong. So don't worry, just click this place that say click and try again. So you click on it. So we'll click on it and try again. Sometimes network could be the issue, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for it to finish. All right, so as you can see, you can see now it has finished installing. All right, you see this place here that says welcome to dental clinic. I say it has finished installing. So the next thing is you want to check your tab so that you go to your front end to see what the website looks like. All right, so you click these tabs here and come here where you open your front end. Then you refresh, you drag it down to refresh the site. As you can see, realize that the site has been installed. The site has been installed. If you check, you realize that there are a lot of changes. Okay, you see that there are a lot of changes here. As you can see, that's the map there. The site is still loading. Let's refresh it again. Let's refresh it again. All right, so you can see that the site has loaded and there are a lot of changes. So we are going to be changing the pictures, the write-up, and every other thing to customize it and personalize it to us, or yours, making it yours. So I'm going to be stopping here. In our next class, I'm going to be taking us on how to customize these to fit into our own, where we can use it and put our own details. So see you in the next class. Please, wherever you're watching this from, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow so that you can follow the next class. Thank you very much and enjoy the class.